Hello everyone, I'm Sochukwu Black. Welcome to another awesome video. Now, all of us saw the crypto market drop, and you saw headlines like 1 point something trillion wiped out of crypto. Okay, now to those who are new in crypto, this is kind of a new experience for them. Okay, but for those of us who have been here long enough, we know that once an asset class is solid, it will always bounce back. So which means that every opportunity, every deep opportunity represents a money-making opportunity, because that's the time we can buy the likes of Bitcoin cheap, we can buy the likes of BNB cheap, or Ethereum cheap, or even Solana, which almost touched $100. Many people would have bought it cheap when it dipped, and right now they are all bouncing back, which means somebody's already making money. So, but let me allow you guys listen to this market analyst. So he will enlighten you guys about deep in portfolio, not necessarily meaning loss of value. So without much ado, let's roll the clip.
Anytime you see a big stock market sell-off like this one, you're going to see headlines that say things like $3 trillion in stock market value wiped away in a single day, or investors' 401ks lose billions of dollars in one single session. Well, that's not actually true. While the value of our portfolio goes down, we don't actually lose money until we sell. But if you decide to sell, just realize that there's usually a buyer for everything you're trying to sell. It could be somebody down here at the New York Stock Exchange. It could be an institutional investor. It could be the company itself buying back its shares. But you don't lose money. The value of your portfolio goes down. You only lose money when you hit that sell button. And if you sell your stocks or index funds or ETFs, and you actually book a profit, you're going to pay capital gains on that profit. So be careful before you sell, and you never know when it's time to get back in. And if you want to sell a stock because it's going down and then try to buy it back later, you have to wait 30 days. Otherwise, you are violating the watch sale rule. So be careful before you sell, and realize that you haven't actually lost money until you hit the sell button. So be careful before you hit that button.
Alright, so you guys heard it from him. Whenever there is a dip in price, all it means is that the value of your portfolio goes down. But you are not necessarily losing money until you sell. Okay, you're not losing money until you sell. So what that means in simple fact is this: the fact that your asset dipped in value, your loss is, how do I call it, in DeFi is called impermanent loss, which means the loss is not permanent. It's only permanent when you sell. Okay, for those who don't know what DeFi is, DeFi means decentralized finance. So it's only when you sell that you actually take a loss. I don't know if you get what I'm saying. So the importance of this is to enlighten you guys, who you newbies in the crypto space. When the market dips like this, don't panic sell. Rather, look for money and buy at every deep opportunity you can buy. I'm not saying borrow money. I'm a fan of what's it called, dollar cost averaging, which is DCA. But most people are not a fan of it because they prefer to buy bulk and now wait for their profit. I prefer DCA. But in the situation whereby you're not doing DCA, okay, and there's a dip in market, just buy the nearest money close to you. Use it to buy, as long as you still have your feeding money and as long as you've paid your bills. Okay, please don't don't put me in trouble. So, but you get the point. The point is, whether you're holding Bitcoin, Alogio coin, the fact that it dipped in value does not mean you've lost money. Why? Because it tends to come back up, and when it comes back up, sometimes it's difficult for you to buy in because you sold at a lower price, and when you're now trying to buy in, you're probably buying at a higher price, which puts you at a disadvantage, or which puts you in the category of those who are providing liquidity for those who are exiting the market. So if you need to learn more about crypto, how to trading, you can inbox me for some tutorials. I ask for payment, for some I don't. Okay, but I don't teach stocks. I just teach you common sense when it comes to investing. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Till I see you guys in my next video. Take care and bye for now.